Creating advanced policies. The objective of this lesson is to apply principles of firewall configuration and analyze use cases for next generation firewalls in real world situations. This lesson expands on policies involved in firewall configuration and how they play a crucial role in protecting the network security. Crafting policies for your next generation firewall is like creating a security blueprint. These policies define how your firewall will manage and control network traffic flow. Think of them as a set of rules guiding your firewall decisions on what is allowed and what's not. One of the critical advantages of next generation firewalls is their ability to perform granular application control. This means you can create policies that not only focus on broad categories of applications, but also on specific instances for those applications. For example, you can allow access to Facebook Messenger while blocking access to Facebook games. Next generation firewalls can take security a step further by allowing user-centric policies. These policies are based on who is using application rather than just the application itself. This way, you can tailor access rules for different users or user groups. Imagine granting marketing staff access to social media platforms while restricting it to the finance team. Time-based controls add an extra layer of flexibility to your policies. You can create rules that dictate when certain applications or services are accessible. For instance, you might permit video streaming during break times but restrict it during office hours to ensure optimal network performance. Geolocation restrictions are like virtual border controls. They allow you to create policies based on the geographical location of the user or servers. This is particularly useful for organizations that want to prevent access from specific countries due to regulatory or security reasons. Next generation firewalls can integrate with threat intelligence feeds to bolster your policies. By connecting to external threat database, your firewall can automatically update its policies to block known malicious IP addresses or domains. This proactive approach adds an extra layer of defense against emerging threats. Quality of service or QoS allows you to prioritize certain type of traffic over others. You can create policies that ensure critical applications like VoIP calls receive higher priority, resulting in better performance and user experience. The key takeaways from this lesson are: one of the critical advantages of next generation firewalls is their ability to perform granular application control. User-centric policies tailor access to secure content. Time-based and geolocation restrictions offer another way to provide flexible security. QoS or quality of service allows you to prioritize certain type of traffic over the others.